Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to recover your SafePal wallet. Alright, let's begin. To recover your SafePal wallet, you will need your recovery phrase or private key. First, open the SafePal application on your mobile device. On the home page, you will see options for either importing a wallet or creating a new one. Simply select the Import Wallet feature. Once selected, a pop-up will appear prompting you to enter a new security PIN. You just need to enter the PIN 2 times and then skip the biometric feature. Next, you will ask to import your wallet through the secret phrase you have saved. Now, you will need to carefully enter your recovery phrase in the designated field. Make sure to input the words in the correct order and separate them with spaces. Finally, tap on the import option. Once you do this, you should see a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully recovered your SafePal wallet. Now you have regained access to your funds within this wallet. So that's basically how you can recover your SafePal wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.